Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's a Card Thursday. And we're going to be doing this great card with the Garden Wishes suite, or at least the bundle we're going to be using. It's a flip flop flap card. So that's just what I call it. I don't know what it is. So what we're going to be using is we are using Calypso Coral 11 by 4 1/4. We are using a couple pieces of Whisper White. Where's that second piece? This one is 4 by 5 1/4. This one's about 3 by 4 1/2, 4 1/4, whatever. We are using some of the, let's see, Dandy Garden Designer Series paper, 4 by 2 3/4 and 4 by 2 1/4. For ink, we are using Misty Moonlight Memento Black. I am using Daffodil Delight, Old Olive, and Mossy Meadow blends. And I am using the Bumblebee out of the 2020-2022 in colors. Again, I'm using some Stampin' Dimensionals glue dots, if I can find them. And, oh, there's glue dots. And maybe some Stampin' Seal Plus. I am also going to be using the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And I am using, as I said, I was using the bundle. So I am going to be using what is these called the Dandy Wishes dies. I think that's about it. Oh, and the Stampin' Trimmer. So I'm going to take the trimmer, and what I am going to do is I'm going to take the 4 1/4 by 11 inch piece of Calypso Coral, and I am going to score it at 5 1/2. Then I am going to cut 3 inches off of that, okay? So you've got, there's one of the flaps. And that's going to be the flip and the flap too. So now I'm going to take my Memento Black and I'm going to ink up the 3 dandelions. And I'm going to stamp that on that other piece, the smaller piece of Whisper White, the 3 by 4 1/2 or 4 1/4, whatever you want. And now, let's clean this off. I am going to color this with the Stampin' Blends. So I'm going to start, oh, you can see the last one I made, I got blue or black all over. I'm going to start with the light Daffodil Delight. Then I'm going to do a little heavier Daffodil Delight, a little darker, and just get it out like a star almost. This one I want really dark, because that's a baby one, just ready to pop, and you know how those look. And then I'm going to do a little light again. Then I'm going to take the light Mossy Meadow, and I'm going to just do the stems. And I'm going to take the light Old Olive, I got to make sure, and I'm going to do, the leaves. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the dark Old Olive And I'm going to highlight some of this area. You know how the leaves are always a couple different colors, really. And again, with the light old olive, I'm going to blend those in. You see there's some grassy stuff there too. Now I'm going to take the dark mossy meadow on that. I just scratched myself with that pen. I bet you my face is full of light old olive. Oh well. Put these aside because I need some room. Oh, I'm using moss. Did I say I'm using Misty Moonlight? Now I'm getting out the stamp cut and emboss machine. And I am going to cut that with the die that cuts that, so I don't have to do it. I love how this is so easily goes through. And that cuts that right out. So let's put this back over here. I love that it folds up. That's going in the trailer with me. Now what I want to do is I want to grab these and I'm going to just, I'm going to attach the Designer Series paper onto the Calypso Coral cardstock that I cut and am, not embossed, scored. Oh, and I am using, where is it now? I'm using a piece of the Mossy Meadow braided twine also. And I know I have it here because I just cut it. I'm going to have to cut another one. Oh, this goes on this one. And this one goes on this one. Now, where is that? Oh, there it is. That's the twine, the braided twine. And now you've seen me do the flip, flop, flap cards, and I usually put it up. This one I'm going to attach down here, but first off, I am going to attach some of the dandelions with Stampin' Dimensionals. Just like that. Then I'm taking these, where's the top? These Stampin' Seal Plus, and just running too little. But I want this in the center. So I'm just doing it like that. Then I am taking the braided, Mossy Meadow braided twine. Cut that, stick that up with a couple of glue dots, You see, a roll of glue dots about halfway, and that will be a perfect fit. And you put 2 on so it doesn't turn itself upside down. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take the 4 by 5 1/4. I am going to stamp some bumblebees in the corner. And then I'm going to take the bumblebee out of the Stampin' Up markers. And I am going to color those bumblebees. Quick, easy coloring, let me tell you. Now, if you want to step this up, you could use the glitter crystal effects, the shimmering crystal, whatever it's called. And then I am taking the Misty Moonlight, I am inking up the saying, stamping that in the middle, wishing you all the best. Now where's the card? Oh, there's the card. Lost the card. I was going to say, that one's already finished. And I am just going to attach this to the center. I love this card, the flip, flop, flap card. And there you go. I would really appreciate it if you like my cards and my videos, that you shop with me at marytroutner.stampinup.net. Information's down below. You can sign up for my YouTube channel and follow me on YouTube over there. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.